Welcome to a new episode with ideas and insights. Find the strategies, tactics, and tools for your success in your initiative, project, and campaign. You are listening to the IdeaCast with your host, Tom Wittig.
Hello, welcome back again. As promised, I want to give here and there a few tips for the time during the corona crisis, the corona pandemic. It looks like that we will be under restrictions probably for some time. And I wanted to start with sharing a little story which I experienced in the last week actually. I was searching for a noise cancellation or noise reducing material because of some of the audio recording that I'm doing now from the home office. And where did I find it? Where would I look for this? Well, of course, in Pinterest. And then surprisingly, Pinterest led me to the IKEA website. The product I found there was actually quite interesting. It's like a curtain that you can move around. So if you want, you can check it out. I'll put the link in the show notes. The word for that is this kind of maybe artificial Swedish word called catalogue. And to my surprise, the product wasn't available. I thought that's kind of interesting because a lot of products are available online in the online store, but not this one. Why is that? So I sent an email to customer service and they thanked me and replied and said, okay, the product is now available. Kind of interesting. So it was a little help for IKEA, pro bono work if you want. But here's the bottom line. First of all, take a look at your portfolio. Take a look at what you have. The rule number one is sell what you have. So here are 5 things you should look for. Look for the items which are useful right now. So what do people need in this special situation in the home office, in their work right now? Take a look at what you have and what products would be really useful. Then check out, it's number 2, check out on which channels these products are available right now. Are they available on your website and your eShop, on social media, and so on? Just make it easy, don't make it too complicated. Brings me to number 3. One way to publish, for example, your product catalog easily is on Pinterest. Pinterest has now a way where you can upload your product catalog and it automatically creates what's called a product pin. Easily discoverable items on a growing personal media or a personal network if you want. Number 4, if you don't have an eShop or e-commerce store, just set it up. It doesn't have to be so sophisticated. It can be fairly easy. I think it's more important to make products and services available right now. So number 5 would be make sure that you are discoverable. So some basic SEO tactics will get you into the charts, into the rankings fairly quickly. But if you want to accelerate that, then you can, of course, do it fairly easily with online marketing and remarketing, retargeting tactics, all with the purpose to sell what you have right now.
When you are looking for inspiration and help with your digital marketing and growth initiatives, please check out our digital marketing agency, WITTIGONIA Digital. We provide a range of support from strategy to implementation tactics and optimization of digital marketing campaigns. From managed services to workshops and compact learning modules, our work supports you and your team. Discover more at WITTIGONIA.com. Thank you for listening. I hope you find this episode interesting and helpful. Please rate and share this episode with your team, colleagues, and friends. You can find links to more information in the show notes of this episode.